In this video, we are going to see how to create a customer from admin dashboard. So for this, we have already logged in and just go to customers tab. From this new button, we can create our customer. This company name is compulsory, and we can also specify the other informations like pat number, phone, website. We can assign the group to the customer. We can also add a new customer group and specify these information and save and create contact. After, we need to specify the customer's personal information, his position, email, phone number. We can specify the layout of our dashboard, and here we need to specify the password. We can set it as a primary contact. If we don't want to send the welcome email, then we can check here. If we want to send the password set email, we can click on here. From here we can provide the permissions to the customer and email notifications. Click on save. This will create the customer, and we can see all the customer related information from here. We can also log in as a client or customer. So this is how we can create the customer from admin.